Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to show you the awesome deals I grabbed at Walgreens for the week. I was able to get all of these items completely free and made over $3 buying it all, which is awesome. It was such a great week over at Walgreens this week yet again. I'm also going to show you how to stack a paper booster and a digital booster. So I ended up with a $10 moneymaker scenario, which was super cool. So I'm going to walk you through all of that here in just a moment. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So glad that you are here. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. All right, so let's jump into the deals. I'm going to start over here on my left, work my way this way. This over here is what I did for my booster scenarios. I had a spend $20, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster that I had clipped to my card. And then I had one of these spend $35, get $8 in Walgreens cash that had come out of the register last week. So I paired my digital booster and my paper booster together. So I'll tell you about that deal here in just a moment. All right, so the first one I'll talk to you about is on the Dove body wash. I grabbed 2 of these Dove Men Plus Care body washes. They are buy one, get one half off. So I bought one at $6.99. I grabbed the second one for $3.49. So that's a total of $10.48. Now I had a $6 digital coupon, so I paid $4.48 for both of them. But I had an offer on my Shopkick app for 250 kicks back when you buy this product and 40 kicks back when you scan it. So that's 290 kicks total, which is equivalent to $1.16 that I got back on Shopkick, making both of these $3.32 or just $1.66 each. So that's a super great price if this is a product that you use all the time. I want to say they're around $6 even at the grocery store regular price. So $1.66 is a great price. If you're not already using Shopkick, if you grab it using my referral code, you'll get additional 250 kicks back, which is equivalent to $1. I also have a complete tutorial on how to use the Shopkick app that I can link for you down in the video description box below. That way you can see step-by-step how to use that app. So the next deal that I'm going to tell you about also uses the Shopkick app, and it's on this Nair bladeless shave. So I grabbed this online. I did this as a curbside pickup. That way I could use a coupon code. Now there are 2 different coupon codes that I used this week. The one I did on this deal was Summer 20. Okay, so this is priced at $11.99. I used the code SUMMER20 when I placed this as a curbside order, and that took up $2.40. So that made it $9.59. Now the Shopkick app has a huge rebate. They're giving back 2,400 kicks for purchasing it and 40 kicks for scanning it. So $24.40 total, which is equivalent to $9.76, making this completely free and a 17-cent moneymaker. So if you are placing a curbside order, try using code SUMMER20. You can also try using code SUMMER10. I was able to get both of those codes to work on different orders, taking off additional amount off of my total. That's kind of the beauty of curbside deals, is sometimes the online price is lower than the in-store price, as well as being able to use coupon codes on top of that. And lastly, if you've watched my videos before, I always go through Rakuten to get additional cash back. So if by any chance you're not already using Rakuten, if you use my referral link, you will get $30 back on your first $30 purchase. So that's a huge, awesome deal, and I'll include that link down in the video description box below. But it's super simple. I go to Rakuten first, I tell it that I want to shop at Walgreens, it redirects me to the Walgreens website, and I just shop and check out as normal, and then I get additional money back in my Rakuten account. Okay, another deal is on these Always Infinity pads. They are priced at $3.99 each, but when you buy two, you'll get $4 in register rewards back. So I purchased two at $3.99, which is $7.98. I had no other coupons, but I got a $4 register reward back when I purchased this, making it $3.98 for both, or just $1.99 each. So if that's a product that you use, that is a good price for that. Now, keep in mind, there are quite a few register reward deals for $4 register rewards back. You don't want to do those deals in the same transaction because you're only going to get that register reward one time per transaction. So there's another one that I'm going to tell you about here in just a second. You don't want to do those deals in the same transaction at the store because you're only going to get that register reward one time. But if you check out in separate transactions, you would get the register reward both times. So for instance, this Gillette foam shave cream, it is $2.99 each. They're buy one, get one half off. Buy two, get a $4 register reward. So buy one at $2.99, buy one at $1.49, that's $4.48. And you will get a $4 register reward for buying two of them. So that makes it 48 cents for both, or just 24 cents each. So that's a great price on that as well. The Colgate is again free this week. They are buy two, get $3 in Walgreens cash. They are priced at $2.99 each. So $2.99 times 2 is $5.98. I had a $3 off 2 digital coupon, so I paid $2.98 and I got back $3 in Walgreens cash, making it free and a 2-cent moneymaker. And yes, you can pay in Walgreens cash and get Walgreens cash back. I did in fact do that. So you can pay in Walgreens cash and still get the Walgreens cash back. All right, now this one is an Ibotta deal. So if you're not already using Ibotta, grab it using my referral code. Not only will you be able to snag tons of awesome deals, but using a referral code unlocks up to $20 in welcome bonuses for you. So a great deal. These Roto Cool Max eye drops, they're priced at $6.49. There is a $4 Walgreens digital coupon, so you would pay $2.49 and get back $2 on Ibotta. Now, I did this again as a curbside deal, and I used the code SUMMER20. When I used that code, it took an additional 50 cents off, so I only paid $1.99 for this, and I got back $2 on Ibotta, making it completely free and a 1-cent moneymaker. So great deal on that. Another Ibotta offer is on these Gillette Dry Tech Deodorants. Now, always check your cashback apps to make sure these offers are still there before you purchase these. But when I looked on my app, I saw a rebate for $5.49 back when you buy two. Now there's also a promotion going on with Walgreens this week. When you buy 3 of these, you get a $5 register reward. So I bought 3 of these Gillette deodorants. They were priced at $6.99 each, but they are also buy one, get one half off. So I paid $6.99 for 2 of them. I paid $3.99 for the third one. That makes it $17.47 total. I had an $8 off 3 digital coupon, so I paid $9.47 total. I got back the $5 register reward, and I got back the $5.49 on Ibotta for purchasing 2, making all 3 of them free and a $1.02 moneymaker. So awesome, awesome deal. These are also Procter & Gamble products. So you can submit your receipt to pggoodeveryday.com and you will get points back, and you can redeem those points for different items on their website. They used to have gift cards. I have not seen those in a while. I'm hoping those gift cards come back. If you've seen them, let me know down in the comments below. I haven't checked in a few days, but last time I checked, the gift cards were not there anymore. Okay, so I think that was it on the deals that I did not part of my spend 20 get 5, as well as using this in-store booster coupon of spend 35 get 8. Now, you can mix and match these deals however you want, whatever makes the most sense for you. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk you through each of the individual deals, and then I'll tell you how I put it together to get the booster money back as well. Okay, let me start with the Airheads, because this is a fun deal. These Airhead Ropes are priced at $2.29. There are 2 different rebates right now. There is a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, as well as 395 kicks back on ShopKick. So 395 kicks in dollars, you divide by 250, because 250 kicks is equivalent to $1. So 395 divided by 250 means I got $1.58 back on ShopKick. So the $1.58 plus the 75 cents I got back on Ibotta means I got this completely free and a 4-cent moneymaker. Thing that's cool with ShopKick is a lot of times the offers reset as soon as it credits you. So you can do that deal multiple times as long as your offers reset. Now, another deal right now at Walgreens is when you buy 2 of the Suavitel or the Palmolive, you're going to get $2 in Walgreens cash back. Both of these products are on sale for $2.49. So I bought the Palmolive for $2.49. I bought the Suavitel for $2.49. They each have a 50-cent digital coupon. So $1 came off at the register, meaning I paid $3.98 at the register, and I got $2 in Walgreens cash back, making it $1.98 for both items, or just 99 cents each. Another awesome sale price, plus Ibotta rebate. The Purex is on sale for $1.99, and there is a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this just 99 cents. So awesome deal there. The last deal, and this is the high dollar value deal here. So these Mederma Scar Cream Scar Gels, they are buy one, get one half off at Walgreens. So I purchased the cream for $18.99, and then the Scar Gel rang up half price at $8.99. There are 2 digital coupons. I had a $7 off one digital, and I had a $5 off one digital. So my total cost was $15.98. But there was an $8 rebate for each of these on Ibotta. So I got $16 total back on Ibotta, making them free and a 2-cent moneymaker. So like I said, I wanted to combine my digital booster, spend 20, get 5, with my paper booster of spend 35, get 8. So I handed the cashier the Airheads, the Palmolive, the Suavitel, the Purex, and the 2 Medermas. They rang those up, and then they scanned my paper booster, okay? And of course, I entered my number, that way my digital booster and my digital coupons would apply. After the coupons that I already told you about that I used in that transaction, I paid $24.24, and I did pay that out of pocket. I know some people don't like to spend that much out of pocket. I was okay with it, so if that doesn't work for you, no problem. You can make your deal work differently. I did pay the $24.24 out of pocket. I got back $5 for spending 20 on my digital booster. I got back $8 for spending 35 on my paper booster. I got back $2 in Walgreens cash for the Suavitel Palmolive deal. I got back $16 on Ibotta for the Mederma. I got back 75 cents on Ibotta for the Airhead. I got back $1.58 on ShopKick for the Airhead. And I got back $1 on Ibotta for the Purex. So all of that together was $34.33 back. So yes, I paid $24.24, but I got $34.33 back, making it completely free and a $10.09 moneymaker, putting everything together, making everything free, and over a $3 moneymaker for all of these items, which is an excellent, excellent deal. Now, if you guys have any questions about any of this, please don't hesitate to drop me a question down below. I'm happy to help you any way that I can. Hope y'all are having an awesome start to your week. As always, if you're not following me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina, as well as over on my Facebook page, Saving with Christina. Thanks.